Not perfect. I'm not perfect. I'm not trying to portray perfection. I'm not trying to act like I'm higher, better, bigger than anyone else. There's no, we're all the same. At the end, we're all the same. We all bleed. We all breathe the same air. We all pee. We all shit. We all eat. We all sleep. The majority of the people in the world have 2 foot, have 2 feet, 2 foot, and have 2 hands. I'm just like everybody else. I'm not just like everybody else. I'm not perfect. I'm just trying every single day to be better. And to me, that's perfection in itself. You know you're flawed. You can't never really be that true. You can never really be that full, true, eternal being. You can never really achieve that, but you can do. You can always bring it closer by doing the daily things every single day, progressing. As I've always been saying in my first couple of videos, to be better today than you were yesterday. Just constantly progressing, constantly moving forward, constantly taking the step each day. That's just basically what it is. Not perfect, just like everybody else. And it's good to always put yourself. It's always good to just say that to yourself, so that you remain humble. Whatever blessings come your way, whatever big achievement, big title come your way, by the end of the day, you're just like everybody else. The only difference is you try. And there's no shame in trying, to be honest. No shame. Not perfect, but can always be better. Just continue pressing forward, continue going upwards, just continue doing what's needed. We talked about this before. I know most people came to my channel because of senior retention, but it's bigger than that. It's one aspect, even though it's major. The small wins, the small battles do do have a very good feeling on your heart, because those are the small wins, the small battles give you those big major wins, those big major improvements. Just keep on, keep chasing that new high, keep pushing forward. Keep going.